What's up, guys? You watching another video. You guys see the title, you guys see the thumbnail. Today we're letting Josephine drive the G80 M3. Is this a good idea? Probably not, yeah. But as you guys remember, a couple weeks ago, maybe a week ago, we drove the GTR right here. She drove the GTR right here. And she didn't do that bad, I'm not gonna lie. Thank you. For an automatic? But yeah, that's all I say. It's like I can drive. It's automatic. Now the G80 is manual, guys. I don't want to say she knows how to drive manual, because I don't think you know how to drive manual. But she's done it before. What?
Yeah, I do.
Like, would you say I could drive manual?
Kind of fun for the camera. He taught me how to drive stick. Yeah. So if I don't know how to drive stick, it's his fault.
I tried to teach her, guys. She drove the F80 for a vlog, actually. I'll leave it linked somewhere right here if you guys want to watch that video. That was a long time ago. That had been months ago. And she had different hair at the time too, probably. Yeah. Probably. So it was that long ago. She drove the F80. It was manual. But before that, she actually learned in the 350Z that I had. That was the first car I threw at her because it was just a Z, a little less expensive than the F80. So of course I threw her in the Z first. Then she went to the F80. And now she's about to drive the G80. That is manual. So wish me luck, guys. Pray for the G80's clutch and engine and everything else. Everything, honestly. And we just wrapped it too. I hope that she doesn't go into a wall or something.
You're so dramatic.
Or I don't know what's gonna happen. I hope nothing serious, but she's gonna drive a G80. Before we get into the video though, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. A lot of people watch the videos, they're not even subscribed, so hit that subscribe button right now. Smash the like button before we even get into the video, because today's gonna be sick. And also I want to show you a new mod that we did in yesterday's video. Ready?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were taking the vlog.
Both of you guys. I showed the vlog, but if you guys didn't watch last video, check this out. What's new? Let's see if we can point it out.
All the rainbow, all this.
Everywhere. Right? There's rainbow bolts everywhere.
Because you already have that.
Yeah. And now the bolts match everything. Guess what else is new? Can you spot it? What else is new on here?
I don't know.
What do you think?
Oh, that big thing.
She looks like a cop right now. Nah, that was there.
What's in here? What's not stock in here?
All these caps. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4. All the caps are silver now.
What did they used to be black?
This is black, yeah. So now they're all like anodized metal. It looks super sick. And the biggest thing is what?
I don't know.
This is carbon now.
Oh, that's what it was.
Sick, huh?
Okay, yeah.
So we did a lot of mods yesterday. We pretty much changed the entire engine bay and finalized it. It's pretty much all complete, besides maybe this part that I can change carbon, this whole section. But other than that, dude, the engine bay looks sick. And we did all this yesterday in yesterday's video. If you guys haven't watched it, go watch it. You can see the whole install. But that, oh, even up here, look.
Oh, I just
Isn't that crazy?
So if a cop were to pull you over, like we were talking yesterday, and they saw this,
yeah, done. Donezo. Locked up. Well, the cars would be locked up.
It's rainbow?
No, honestly, it looks so good though. I would hope to God that if a cop pops my hood, he actually likes the car. He's like, damn, this is actually really nice, bro.
Imagine.
I hope, but we can only hope.
It looks nice. It looks nice with the color.
Yeah, it actually matches it, huh? Why was the engine so loud? Look how quiet it is now.
Super loud. I seen that belt going around, whatever that was.
Yeah, I don't know. Supercharger. I'm just kidding.
No.
All right, guys. Well, wish me luck. She's gonna drive the G80, and hopefully she doesn't crash it.
I will.
Please don't crash it. And let's see if you even remember how to drive stick still. Sometimes, guys, like she'll be in the passenger seat and I'll let her shift. Like I'll let her shift gears with her left hand. And I can do it. Yeah, she's pretty good. Like she knows where the gears are. She listens to the RPMs. She knows the basics. Let's just see if she remembers, because the last time she drove it had to have been like 4 or 5 months ago. Yeah. But remember I told you?
Way longer than that.
Probably longer, yeah.
Last year.
So, oh yeah, it might have been longer.
Year, yeah.
But remember what I told you, that once you learn stick the first time, you always like keep it in your mind somehow.
It was like
you always remember.
Now.
No way.
Yeah.
All right, let's get it.
Woo! Okay, see you later. Bye. Imagine, would you be so stressed?
Yes.
You would be freaking stressed.
Why do I do this, guys? Why do I put my life and my car's life in danger for content?
I should have opened the door for you. How rude of me.
Low key, you should have, because
how rude of me.
I'm the passenger princess today. Feels pretty good to be in the passenger seat.
Feels good, huh?
That's a nice car.
I'm taking my shoes off. Step 1. I don't think you should tell me anything, and let me tell them.
That's a good idea. Let's try it. I'm gonna try not to tell you anything. Let's just see what happens. And if she needs help or if the engine's about to blow up, I will butt in.
Ooh, you can see the power.
Head up display.
I like that. Okay.
Yeah, definitely adjust your seat.
Yep.
You can touch it?
Yep.
All right. I would.
Nope.
One thing. Make sure you can put the clutch in all the way. So push it right now.
Okay. This is already not going good because I forgot if I can use both feet or if I have to use the same foot. I'm not kidding, I forgot. Can I use the left foot for the clutch?
Yeah, left foot for the clutch. Nope.
Oh, that's really far.
See,
okay.
You gotta push it forward
a little closer.
A lot more.
Oh, I'm as close as I can go.
No way.
This is as close.
There's no way that's all it goes.
I'm pretty close. I would argue I'm pretty close. Right now we're in neutral. When you can wiggle this thing, that means it's neutral, okay?
She's learning?
I know I need to put it in first, but I take my foot off the brake and then the clutch all the way. I think you should tell me what to do because actually I'm a little scared.
Come on, let's try it. Let's just go for it, and I'm gonna just see if you make a mistake, I'll tell you. All right?
Yeah, but I forget this feels weird to have the brake press and the clutch at the same time.
It's okay. You can let go of the brake. See?
Okay, so now I'm gonna put in first, and then I slowly let go of the clutch.
Yes, ma'am.
And press the gas. I'll wait for this car to pass here.
Beamer. What kind of car is it?
It is an E92. There we go.
All right, fine. Breathe is not that hard. You've done it before.
I know, but this car's expensive.
It's okay.
Oh my god, you guys, I'm actually really nervous.
Kevin will buy us another one.
Period.
If we have to get one.
Ben, you heard that?
Rich.
Okay, clutch is all the way in.
First, good job. Now let go of the clutch slowly, and you're gonna feel it moving, okay?
I'm slowly letting go, it's not moving.
Let it go more. You have to release, find the release spot.
Now I can start pressing the gas?
Yep, a little bit of gas, less clutch. Good job, less clutch. Let go of the clutch. You're rolling, you can let it go now, completely. There you go. Sorry, it's a lot of information. It's very hard to teach how to drive manual, bro, because there's so much going on at once. It's hard to explain it, but okay, perfect. So right now you're first, you're chilling.
I kind of want to brake.
Okay, so now let's say you're going to come to a stop, okay? Clutch in, let go of the gas. Clutch in, neutral, let go of the clutch.
Fully?
Yep, brake. Perfect.
Oh shoot, sorry.
So she did it. You didn't stall, which is good. I'm being dead serious. I'm being dead ass. Okay. Okay,
wait. So now I want to turn around. I could turn around in first, right?
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna go really slow.
First.
No, we're in third.
Okay, go.
Oh shoot.
Let go of the clutch. Once you feel it rolling, then you could let go of the clutch all the way and give it gas. And once you really start getting momentum, you can let go of the clutch. Perfect. Perfect. And I'm gonna be honest, the G80 is actually a lot easier to drive than the F80, yeah. So now it's just a normal car. Gas, pedal, brake. Okay? Except if you want to come to a complete stop, you have to put it in neutral with the clutch.
Okay, don't say anything.
Right now you're perfect, all right? So just drive around in first gear for now. See how it feels. All right, there. There you go, just go have some fun, you know? Swerve a little bit.
You guys, it's just really like scary because it's expensive.
It's okay, don't worry. So we got insurance, right?
Are you serious?
What, the pops?
Yes.
Nah, you remember that Fady Pops? I think I let her do it. She was tripping out.
Oh my god, this sounds insane. How come it doesn't sound like that all the time?
It does sound like this all the time. Alright, now you can step on it a little bit if you want. Remember it, keep going.
Oh, that's when you have to switch.
Yep. Do you want to switch gears now?
No, I want to turn around and then do it.
Okay.
I want to be like a straightaway.
Sounds good though, huh? You're doing it, you have it stalled.
Yeehaw.
No, I'm serious, it's really good. So you remember how to drive stick. See, she knows, guys. She just has to pick it up a little bit. Like I said, the last time she drove it was probably last year. So
it was.
That's crazy. Like you should get the hang of it already. You already know. Oh. All right, so now you can go up to RPM, let go of the gas, clutch in, second, let go of the clutch. No, let go of the clutch.
Sorry. Wait, I want to stop. Now I'm nervous.
Okay, it's fine. Neutral. So clutch, neutral.
Wait, what?
Neutral, brake.
Let go of the clutch fully?
Yeah. When it's like this, you can let go of the clutch as fast as possible if you want. It doesn't matter. You don't have to let it go slow.
Okay, I don't think the AC's on though. It's getting a little hot in here. Oh my god.
She's sweating for sure.
It's hot.
Are you sweating?
The water. I mean.
The water? Are you okay?
Help me.
Watch my feet. Look. Let go of the gas, clutch in, shift a second, then let go of the clutch, and then gas again. It doesn't have to be that gradually. Like you can kind of let go of the. Once you shift it into second, You can let go of the clutch and give it gas, normal. It's hard to teach people how to drive stick, guys. I'm telling you, it's like muscle memory, bro. It's just in our heads at this point. So it's hard to like remember how to do it and then try to teach someone. It's very hard. All right, you gotta let go of the clutch faster because that's like burning the clutch.
There's a car.
Oh my God.
Wait, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
You're good. Go, do your turn. Why are you freaking out?
I don't like when there's other people.
It's okay.
No, you guys don't understand. You do understand if you're a car guy. This is Nick's baby. If anything happens to this under my care, he's gonna physically assault me.
All right, dude. Chill. Shift to second. Clutch? No, you're not. Clutch? Second? Yup. Let go of the clutch. Give it gas. Perfect. Perfect! That's how you're supposed to do it.
Period. Wait, I want to turn around. But I feel like I'm not going fast enough for a second. Or does that matter?
Okay. Good job. See, it's a normal car. Once you're like driving, it's normal. All right, step on it. I want to see you go fast. Step on it, all the way. Woo!
Oh my God.
Neutral. Let go of the clutch.
And
Perfect.
then brake.
Perfect!
Okay.
She knows how to drive stick.
Oh my gosh, that was scary.
Out of all your friends, do you think they know how to drive stick?
No.
You don't think any of your friends know how to drive stick? Isn't that crazy to know that like you know how to drive stick?
I think if we were in a dire situation,
you can get us home.
I could get us home.
100%.
Would it take us a really long time?
Nah,
maybe.
I really
Would I drive
think
with
you're
my
chilling.
hazards? Yes.
I think you're chilling, I swear.
I also swear, guys, if this was my car, I'd be so much more comfortable because if I crash it, oh well, that was my fault. This isn't my car. This is scary. This is Nick's child. This is his baby. His firstborn.
It's okay. It's kind of like my 4th, 5th, 6th born or something, but...
But still, you guys get it.
I want you to actually give us some gas, all right? I want you to step on it. That's what everyone wants to see. Just remember, if we have to stop...
I think the brake thing I need to remember.
Yeah.
The brake thing is just
most important.
Off the gas, brake, clutch, neutral.
Off the gas, brake,
clutch, neutral.
Yeah,
off the gas, brake,
pretty much.
neutral. Period.
No stalling.
Period.
No, you haven't even stalled. Isn't that crazy?
I stalled in the F80.
Yeah, but the J80 is just way easier to drive, guys. I'm telling you, even if you've never driven stick in your life, you can figure it out. Look at you. You literally know how to drive stick. Isn't that crazy?
Oh my God,
that's insane, bro. It's okay, there's a car, but
what do I do? What
remember?
do I do?
Clutch in, neutral, brake. Let go of the clutch. Perfect. Stop freak.
Imagine her.
So why is she screaming at her?
Oh my God.
Everyone sees me screaming at you. That's good. You got it. You just can't get scared.
Need the AC on the feet too. We need it
What, your feet are sweating?
Yes.
I think if we're taking you to the street, that's when you start getting nervous. You just can't get nervous,
I start
okay?
going to the...
All right.
Sorry.
You let it out a little too fast. A little bit too fast. Second. Good job. All right, give us some gas. Fast.
I don't want to go to third. Sorry, guys. Oh my gosh, I want to brake.
Neutral, let go of the clutch. Remember, if it's a neutral, you can let go of the clutch. Perfect. I think you can now officially say, I know how to drive stick.
I think the weirdest thing to me is that in this car, you can let go of the brake and it won't go anywhere if you're on a flat surface. Whereas if I was in a regular car, it would start going forward.
Yeah, I get
so
what
that's why it feels scary to let go of the brake and then just be like chilling.
Yeah. Go. Fast. Step on it all the way.
Okay. I'm scared, guys. Okay, I want to brake.
Okay.
I forget. Clutch in.
You didn't forget.
Neutral. Let go.
Clutch, brake.
Slowly brake.
Yeah. She's learning, guys. She knows.
Okay, you want to go outside and record me from the outside?
No. Not doing it in this car. I'm too scared.
I'm kind of scared too.
Hell no. I don't think we're ready for that yet.
No, but you know what I think is that I feel extra nervous with you in the car, but I also feel like I need you in the car. I think you should get in the back seat.
Hell no.
What's the difference?
I don't know. I could jump over and do something to stop the car, hopefully. Last time, if you guys remember, she was driving GTR. I let her drive it by herself, and I was standing out there filming, but I want to do it. I'm just very scared. Very, very scared. Like, God forbid you forget how to brake.
I know, dude.
Just
That's what I'm scared of.
All right, ready? Light turns green. Go.
Oh,
lights green.
shit.
Shit.
Everybody behind me.
The light's green. They're honking at you.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm going, I swear.
Hey, Josh, I'm not gonna lie. I think she's better than you, though. Remember I let Josh around drive my F80?
Yes.
Damn, she's doing it.
Now what? Oh, I always get scared in second.
Yeah, you can slow down a little bit. You don't
How? How do I slow down? How?
With the brake.
So I can press the brake, but it's not...
Yes.
Oh, that's what I get scared of.
Okay.
Look how close he looks.
Pause the video. We gotta reset. I don't know where she was going, guys. I was gonna let her go around the building, but there's hella speed bumps and GG to the front lip.
What does that mean?
Gone. Can't tell you. It's a boy's thing.
Okay. Gigi?
Yeah, boy secret.
What does it mean?
Can't tell you.
Good gone?
Nope.
Goo goo gaga?
Something from the boy.
Okay.
Something from the boys. Can't tell you. I just want you to do this. Look.
Okay.
Why can't you do that?
You're done.
I think we're good.
Really?
I think our.
Oh, thank God.
I think our lesson is
Oh,
over.
thank God. OMG.
What?
You guys, I was waiting for him to say that. I'm not gonna lie. This time, not a joke. I was actually nervous. I feel like with the F80, I don't know why I felt so comfortable in it. Maybe because it was smaller.
You literally did it. Like, you know how to drive stick. And a lot better than a lot of people. Trust me. Like, Kevin's driven the car. He did alright.
You hear that, Rich?
Josh drove my F80. That was all bad. I had to actually get into the driver's seat.
Really?
Because he couldn't get like past this gas station thing we were stuck at.
But he was actually on the road. See, I feel like I would be a little nervous on the road.
Yeah, I was nervous. But you did a good job. Like, you literally know how to drive stick. And I think that's from like me letting you drive it sometimes. Like, I'm telling you, I let her just shift gears.
Can we get a sweet treat now? For all the good work I just did.
You and
I'm literally shaking.
first.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Where did you go? You went to like 4.
You guys listen to me.
Alright, second.
I've never done that before in my life. I don't know why all of a sudden the camera goes off.
3. Perfect. 4. Perfect. So she does this all the time, guys. Like, I always let her do it so she can get the hang of it. Loki, you're probably a pro at right-hand drive cars.
Oh, yeah.
You do it all the time. I never shift with my left hand, so
Yeah, maybe that's why I'm used to it.
if we go to Japan, maybe you could drive a freaking R34 so easy. I bet.
Imagine.
You'll probably get the hang of it better than me. Everyone comment down below. Rate how
Rate me.
Josephine did. Don't rate her. Rate how Josephine did on driving, okay?
Tell me if you guys seen the other video, the F80, which one I did better at.
I think this car for sure.
You think I did better at this one?
You guys can go back and watch all the videos. She did the Z, like I said, we have a video on the channel, and she drove the F80, and now she drove the G80. And you driven the GTR. You've driven all the cars, literally.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I wish we could put it right there. Oh, so much better. Who would have thought? Okay, dude. And he really drives like this, dude, I swear. Would that stress you out if I started doing that? Imagine.
Anyways, if you guys enjoyed that, smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel. I don't think I'm ending the video here, but we'll figure out what else we do. I just really wanted to let her drive the car and film that for you guys because a lot of people were asking for it after we did the GTR video. Except at the time, I think this car was getting wrapped.
Yeah.
So that's why we didn't do it. But now she drove all the cars, guys. Now she just has to wait for the R8. Maybe you'll drive the R8.
Oh, you'll be scared for sure.
That would be scary.
Wait,
for
it's
her to
gonna be
drive.
manual?
No, it's automatic.
Oh, we're good.
Yeah, you'll
I'm
be good.
taking that
Honestly,
car.
that car's probably super easy to drive. It's just twice as expensive as this. Not really. Honestly, that J is not that far off from a freaking R8 price if you really think about it.
Automatic is like nothing. I can get in that thing.
You can't lie. It's pretty fun to drive manual though, huh?
No, it's fun. I feel like shifting from first to other, like once you're in there, it's fun because it's not as scary. I feel like that initial like first gear is a little
Scary?
rough.
Oh, I should have let you downshift. That would have been sick. Next video.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.